We got a new project vehicle. No idea what's going on with it. Basically, I know that it's a 1985, so it's got the 22 RE EFI in it. It's also the last year they made the solid axle in the front. So we're just gonna go through the whole thing and kind of try and figure out what's going on. Try and get the oil pan off. Taking these sway bar off. Big old bars in the way. There she blows.
Well, maybe the rings are just seized. You got a big ass wrench, we could try to turn the engine over again. We could also take the plugs out and squirt a bunch of oil everywhere. It's kind of rusty on the back side of the cylinder. It's just been sitting for a really long time, it looks like.
Okay, so now we're thinking maybe the timing chain broke. So we're going for the top half instead of the bottom half. And we can't see, so. Oh, mother. Ow! It looks like the Titanic in there, dog.
You can see someone's been working in here before.
We have realized that the engine is going to have to come out. It's seized just so badly that it's not really going to happen any other way.
It's dirty. Not bright looking. You can go back and
I just unbolted this right here. Look at how that's held on. Duct tape. Just duct tape. Engine is out. It was a little bit harder than we thought it was going to be, but it's out. She's a little on the crusty side, but